Hey guys, I remember a time when checking my bank balance made my heart race faster than an afternoon espresso. I'd open my banking app, squint at the puny numbers, and wonder, where did all my money go? If this feels like your life story, you're not alone. You see, it's easy to spend $5 here, $10 there, until suddenly you're down 100 before you even notice. Today, I'm going to show you how to kickstart your savings journey and hit that first sweet $1,000 goal. Trust me, once you crack $1,000 in your account, it feels like $1,000,000. Let's talk about the root problem. Most of us don't have a habit of saving. We work, we spend, we think, I'll save what's left at the end of the month. But guess what? There's rarely anything left. Growing up, I assumed saving was for those with bigger paychecks or zero responsibilities. But the truth is, even if you're making minimum wage, you can still build a safety net. How? By turning saving into a non-negotiable expense. In other words, pay yourself before you pay anyone else. Here's the deal. If you can't manage to set aside money when you earn a little, you definitely won't do it when you're earning a lot. Saving is not about how much you make. It's about building a habit, and that habit starts right now with your first $1,000. So, what's the solution? Two magic words: automate and track. 1. Automate. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to a savings account every payday. It could be $10 or $100, just make it consistent. 2. Track. Keep tabs on your spending. I use a simple budgeting app. There are plenty of free ones to see where my money vanishes. When I first tracked my expenses, I discovered I was basically the CEO of Impulse Buys Inc. I was spending more on snacks and random knickknacks than on actual groceries. Tracking these things was like turning on the lights in a haunted house. I could finally see all the scary stuff lurking around. Next step, budgeting. I know, the B word can be scary, but trust me, your budget is your best friend. Just jot down 3 columns: income, necessary expenses like rent, bills, groceries, and fun stuff. Spoiler, the fun stuff column doesn't have to vanish. It just needs some healthy boundaries. Listen, I'm not saying ditch all fun. You can still enjoy life's little joys, Netflix, a favorite latte, that occasional burger, but the trick is to plan for them instead of letting them run wild. Once you know how much you can realistically spend, you'll be surprised how much leftover you actually have for saving. As soon as you start this habit, painlessly auto-depositing into savings and setting a budget, you'll see that first $100, $200, $500 building up. And let me tell you, the day you see $1,000 in your account, you'll realize you're on track to something bigger. It's a total confidence booster. Now, if you want to sprint toward that $1,000 goal, add a side hustle. Maybe you can walk your neighbor's dogs, or tutor a subject you're good at, or sell stuff you don't need. Every extra dollar helps. And guess where you put those extra dollars first? Yep, straight into your savings. When I first started, I picked up odd jobs on weekends. My friends teased me like, "Hey, big spender, can't you chill?" But the joke's on them now, because they come to me for loans. I'm not saying you have to sacrifice your entire social life, but a little hustle can accelerate your savings big time. So here's the game plan in a nutshell. 1. Automate your savings. Treat it like a bill you must pay. 2. Track your spending. Don't be scared of the truth. 3. Budget responsibly. Fun is allowed, but in moderation. 4. Side hustle if you can. Multiply your earnings. That's it. 4 steps, $1,000. And guess what? It's easier than you think. By the way, that first $1,000 is just the beginning. Once you prove to yourself that you can save, it opens the door to bigger goals, emergency funds, investments, even that dream vacation. You'll discover the power of compound interest and realize your money can actually work for you, not the other way around. Saving is about more than just numbers in an account. It's about peace of mind, the freedom to make choices, and confidence in your future. Trust me, once you feel the security of having that cushion, your stress levels drop and your motivation soars. And hey, it's okay to slip up sometimes. If you end up buying that fancy coffee on a rough Monday, don't beat yourself up. Just bounce back, refocus, and keep that automatic transfer going. It's consistency that matters, not perfection. Also, involving a friend or relative can be super helpful. Challenge each other, celebrate each other's milestones, and share tips. Saving doesn't have to be lonely. Turn it into a fun group project. A quick recap formula: income, automatic savings, essential bills. Scan what's left for fun. Do this every payday and watch your bank balance gradually climb. It's like magic, but it's actually just common sense with a dash of discipline. So if you haven't started yet, why not begin today? Even if it's just $5 a week, it's better than nothing. That's the beauty of saving. You get to start exactly where you are. I believe in you. That $1,000 is closer than you think. And once you nail this, you'll be unstoppable. You'll have momentum, you'll have confidence, and you'll have the tools to aim for even bigger financial wins. If this video helped you, do me a favor and like it so I know you're on board. Subscribe if you're all about leveling up your money game, because trust me, this is just the beginning. And turn on those notifications so you don't miss a single tip that could bring you one step closer to your financial goals. Alright, that's it for today. Now, go open up your budgeting app, tweak those numbers, and set up that automatic deposit. Once you do, come back here and tell me in the comments how awesome it feels to start saving for real. And hey, if you want more saving tips or ideas on how to invest that money later, check out my other video on why $5 a day is keeping you from millions. See you there.